Children, in this session we're going to study about floor map under the chapter boxes and sketches. Let us go through the video, children.
That's Suman's house over there. It's lovely, isn't it? Wouldn't it be nice to have a map that would show how the doors and windows of the house are arranged? I have an idea. Let's create a floor map. A floor map is a scale diagram of a house as seen from above. First, we'll start with the walls of the house. Alright, we're done with the walls.
So children, we see top of the house what we have four corners. So the same four corners we make it here. Then you see here also we have one portion, that we have to draw likewise. This is the floor map. Then you listen how they represent the door and window.
Now, let's draw the door of the house. Here is the symbol we shall use to represent the door.
So how they represent the doors, children? This is door. So this the same like they represent here the open, So this symbol means that represent the door. Is it clear?
The door is at the front of the house. So, we shall place the symbol for the door accordingly in the floor map.
So this is the symbol of door. Next,
now it's time to place the symbol for each window. Here are the windows on the left side of the house. One at the front, one at the side, and one behind the house. We place the symbols on the floor map accordingly.
so children, now they represent the window. See the symbol of window? This like they have to represent the window. So one is in left side and another one is which? In back side one and side also. So that like they have to represent here. This is a left, then side one and back side one. This like they have to represent the window. Still we didn't complete. There is 3 more windows there. So that also we want to complete. So listen what happened.
Next, we look at the windows on the right side of the house. There is one window on the front side, one at the side, and one behind. Let's place the symbols for these windows in the floor map.
So now how they represent, one is right and another one is side and another one is behind. The same like they represent in the floor map, the right side and behind. Can you understand, children?
So, here is the floor map of Suman's house. See how the map depicts the location of the doors and windows of the house. Now that you have learned how to create a floor map, go ahead and create a floor map of your classroom. I'll see you later. Bye!
So children, you try to draw your classroom floor map, children. How many windows? How many doors is there? Can you remember? Yes, children, you should remember and draw your class floor map. That is your assignment, children. Next, let us go through the next video, children. Yes.
Wow, the three-dimensional effects in the movie were amazing.
Yeah, true. Everything looks so lifelike.
We see one picture, the dinosaur picture that is in 3D dimension, children. Is it clear? Okay.
Kate, let's go home now. Here, Kansha, what's this?
Oh, that's a flow map of our house. My teacher asked me to create it as an assignment.
The drawing seems okay. It tells me where the door and the windows are located. But I can't make out how the house really looks.
Children, can you understand? We already saw in the first video, likewise, here they represent this is the door, this and all windows. How many windows there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 windows and only one door.
You are right, Sina. Let's add some 3D magic and bring this flow map to life. Watch.
Hey, this looks much better. I can now make out how the house actually looks. Here are the windows and here is the door.
This is a three-dimensional model of the house. Let's rotate the house and see it from all angles.
Hold it. Let me sketch the house from this angle.
Okay,
So in this angle, how many windows you have, children? Yes, very good. 2 windows there. Then listen.
go ahead.
I seem to be having a problem. From this
So she has drawn 2 windows there.
angle, I can draw only 2 windows, whereas the flow map shows 5 windows.
So where it's 2 windows here, here. But this house have 5 windows. So let us watch.
Your drawing will depend on the angle from which you will be viewing the three-dimensional model. So you will not be able to draw all the doors and windows. Let me rotate the 3D model so that you can sketch the house from a different angle. Why don't you draw the house from this angle?
So now how many windows there? 1 and 2. So he has drawn 2 windows and 1 door there.
Here is the three-dimensional drawing of the house from a different angle. Look at it.
That's really nice. Look how the three-dimensional
So
drawing
listen,
shows
children. Here 1 and another one door window is here. So 2 windows and 1 door. This is the length of the house.
width and height of the house.
And this is width of the house and this is height of the house.
This type of drawing as a deep drawing.
Drawing? That's a strange.
Well, this kind of three-dimensional drawing helps you to view the depth of the house. That's why it's called a deep drawing.
Can you hear this word? Deep drawing, children. That means the length, width, height we can represent in the 2D dimension, that is called the deep drawing, children.
Oh, I get it. The depth of the drawing makes it different from the floor map.
So now you listen, how many windows there? 5 windows and 1 door,
It's the same feeling of depth that makes the three-dimensional movie look so real. Talking of movies, why don't you book tickets for the forthcoming 3D movie? Absolutely.
Can you understand, children? First question is, the floor map of Seema's house is shown below. How many doors does Seema's house have? Let us count, children. How many doors here? First, which one is the symbol of door? Yes, very good. This is the symbol of door. So, how many doors here? 1, 2. And how many windows? This is the symbol of window. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 windows and 2 doors. But here they ask about doors. So how many doors are there? 2. So I choose option A. Shall we check our answer? Yes, our answer is correct. The next question. State whether the following statement is true or false. The deep drawing of a house drawn from an angle will show all the windows and doors of the house. Whether it is true or false. So this is false, children. So I choose false. I give submit. Yes, our answer is correct. Select the correct floor map for the adjoining model of a house. So how many windows there, children? There is 3 windows, children. You listen, you count. Left one, right one, and side also. There is 3 windows and 1 door. Then back side some place there, So where it is, that like figure, these 3 figures are look like that. So let us count the doors and windows, children. Only 1 door, that's correct. Then 3 windows are there. So maybe option C is our answer. So I select C. Yes, our answer is correct. Next question. The floor map of Sandeep's house is shown below. How many windows does the house have? Children, you count the windows. 1. This is the symbol of window. This is the symbol of door. So only 1 door. How many windows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many windows there? 6 window. So where is the option 6? You search. Yes, it may be 6. Option D is our answer. So our answer is correct. Children, our last question is, the floor map of Seema's house is shown below. How many windows does Seema's house have? So this is a symbol of door. So how many doors are there? 1, 2. But here they ask about windows. How many windows? So this is the symbol of windows. How many windows there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many windows? Yes, very good. 4 windows. So the option in B, I select B and give submit. Yes, children, our answer is correct. Children, in this session, we are all learn about the floor map under the chapter boxes and sketches. In your book, so many exercises are there. You try to complete that, children, and take snap and send to me for correction, children. I hope you are all learned well. You have any doubt means You should ask me, children. Thank you, children.